Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are removing stains off glass on your car. So I'm just doing a full detail on my FG here. One of the problems I've had since I bought this car secondhand is that all the glass is stained from raindrops and soap that's been left on the car. No matter which glass cleaners I try, it doesn't work. If you want to get this done quickly, basically go to your local auto parts shop, Autobarn, Super Cheap Auto, Repco, and they should have some glass stain cleaner there. Today I'm working with this Maguire's glass cleaner. This is a special cleaner for removing stains off glass. There is some other natural methods you can use. I've heard of steel wool, like a very fine steel wool. Some people will use bathroom cleaner. I did try some vinegar at the front. It didn't work very good, but what I'm gonna do is a half-half. All you gotta do is buff this in. Like if you wanna get it done, just go buff that in. I'm gonna show you now how it's done. This is what my window is currently looking like. It's very dusty and it's got cutting compound all over it. And you can see the stains there. So the first thing I'm gonna do is clean this up with some normal window cleaner so you can see the stains properly. So I've put this mask on here just for my buffing that I was doing so I don't touch these trims, and I'm just gonna move it up slightly so when I am buffing this, it's not going to touch the trims again. So this is what my glass is looking like clean. What I've done is put up a light so I can see the reflection of the light in the glass so you can see the stains properly. If you're just doing this in the direct sunlight, it may not work properly, but as you can see, this whole piece of glass here is pretty badly stained. So what we're gonna do is run a piece of tape down the middle. I'm gonna treat one half, and we're gonna leave the other half and see the results. It's a shame having a really nice clean car and then the glass is stained. So we're just gonna half it like that. I'm thinking I'll do this side first and then we'll compare it to this side. So on the back of the bottle it actually says,
shake well before use,
apply clean, cool surface in the shade, apply to glass surfaces with light to medium pressure overlapping strokes, remove all the residue with a clean microfiber towel.
Just gonna put a little bit more tape here so we don't cut into the rubber. You don't have to do this, but so then I'll just open my bottle, put a bit of a line there. I'm gonna give it a go now with the machine, making sure the pad is clean, smear it around. Still a little bit there, I'll probably go one more pass on that. Compound everywhere. Oh, I can feel the texture of this glass, like super smooth, and this is just rough. Like you can almost feel the staining in it. I'm guessing the water is gonna bead right off this way better. Let's pull that sticker off and see the before and after. So already you can see how this staining on the right hand side and then the left hand side. Now I'm gonna have a permanent line on my window. You can definitely see the difference there. I'll give it a quick clean with the window cleaner again. It's actually soaping up a little bit. So you can clearly see the staining there, and as we pass where I just buffed, staining is gone. Worlds better. This window here is like a 13-year-old window. It's not perfect, does have little scratches on it, but you can see the difference right there. So that side window's done. Next up is the windscreen, which is a major part of any car because that's where you're looking out of when you're driving. And this window is almost to the point where I've thought I need to replace it because it's that stained, but we're gonna see how this Maguire's glass cleaner goes. Obviously it's all dusty and stuff, so I'll clean that up now and I'll show you guys some of the stains closer up. So this windscreen is actually also marked from the wiper blades. I'm guessing it's the original windscreen. This is a 13-year-old car. It's kind of weird because some of my older cars don't have the stains that this car has. So I'm not sure what the previous owner did or the current condition of your window, but having a clean windscreen is really, really important. If you want your car to look nice, feel nice when you're driving it, there's nothing that makes a car feel more high-end than having like the windscreen just like super clean. There probably is other things, but. So I've also got my light over there to give me that reflection so I can see what's going on. I also have this handheld light here. This is one that someone actually bought a car from me and they actually left it at my house. So this is your light, still got it. And this will allow me to scan over the windscreen, get some reflections going so I can actually see where the harshest stains are on this windscreen. Just got to dry it off so we can see those stains properly. Brand new microfiber. It'll probably help also to clean the inside of the windshield. Now this windshield has stone chips. It's my daily driver. Probably soon to be retired, as you know, the car's got some pretty high-end mods on it, so kind of silly daily driving it. So now that I've cleaned the windshield, you can see along there how the stains all along. So there you can see the staining. Actually looks like it's still dirty there. I think that's on the inside of the window. So where the wiper blade goes across, you should be able to see just here. See just along there, all that staining. And where the wiper blade actually goes, it's worn away the staining. That looks extremely ugly at night time when the car's on the street lights. So yeah, hoping to get all of that out. Another issue I found here is that along the edge, this car actually has some, like just some grime build up. I've actually cleaned it here, so it's not supposed to look like that. You can see there where I've used, you can see the staining along there. And then over here is where I've used the polish. Looking much cleaner. Now I'm going to go ahead and tape up the edges of the windscreen, just so we don't hit the paintwork. I think the top should be fine. I'll just stay controlled. This compound does rub off the rubbers pretty easily, which is good. Does make a huge mess though. Let's get into it. So grab our glass stuff, grab our machine, some mirror it around. PowerPoint's not on as usual. So this is what it's looking like after the first pass. I'm pretty happy with that. It's still a little bit dirty. Oh, I see a little bit of staining here. I'm sure you guys get the point by now, but that's the stainage on this window. I've got my son's little sun deflector in the back there. So that's it for the glass. It's all done. I'm going around. I didn't film it all because it just gets boring. Same repetitive process. So yeah, massive change before and after. So I thought I'd put that together because I was doing it anyway. It's not something that's going to appeal to everyone. But yeah, if you want to make your car just look that 1% better, as you know, those little 1% things that we do on cars make them look better. Every little 1%er that you can fix just makes it an overall cleaner car. There's compound everywhere. But yeah, now we're going to move on to ceramic coating and paint correction. Thanks for watching, guys. I respond to every comment, so if you want to leave a comment, do it in the comment section below. Consider subscribing for more car content, and I'll see you in the next one.